If English is not your native language and you'd like to study a degree abroad in English, you'll have to take an International English Language Test (IELTS) test. The test format and rules are somewhat different from regular school exams, so we've prepared some IELTS exam tips and advice to help you get totally prepared for the test and get your desired score. If you don't want to lose marks by not being prepared, take a few minutes to watch top tips for test takers. Before test day, some helpful tips. 1. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Work on your weaknesses to make sure it does not negatively affect your total score. For example, if you're a slow reader, focus on the reading test more than writing, listening and speaking tests. 2. Have a study plan. Make a plan before you start studying for the test and have a tailored study plan based on your areas of strengths and weaknesses. 3. Study the material. Attend the test preparation course, if possible. The preparation courses provide you with the material, as well as the tips and tricks that you need to know. If you don't have access to the test preparation courses, you can hire a qualified private teacher instead. An English teacher will also help you make a study plan. 4. Practice until you feel confident. Practice boosts your self-confidence. For the speaking test, find a friend to practice speaking English with. While reading English magazines, practice skimming the texts for the reading test. Watch movies in English language every night and surround yourself with English language news and songs to improve your listening skills. 5. Practice under time pressure. Test yourself in a 2 hours and 45 minutes time frame, just like the exam day. This will help you get to know what it feels like to take the reading, writing and listening tests consecutively. The more you practice under time pressure, the better you can manage your time. 6. Check out the official IELTS website. The official test website is the best source of information for IELTS candidates. You can read about the rules and regulations of the test format, and find useful exam tips and materials such as books, tests and videos on the website. 7. Check the location of the exam. In order to be on time on the exam day, make sure that you know exactly where the test center is and find out how to access the location. Test day, some helpful tips. 1. Get a good night's sleep. Make sure that you get enough rest the night before the test, as tiredness will directly affect your ability to concentrate. 2. Eat breakfast. Eat a good meal before the exam. Your brain definitely functions better when you're not hungry. 3. Wear comfortable clothes. Wear appropriate clothing that won't distract you from concentrating on the exam. Don't wear clothes that are too tight, and consider the fact that the exam room might be cold or warm, so dress in layers. 5. Pay attention to spelling and punctuation. Spelling and punctuation are very important throughout the entire test, and you'll lose points if your answers are spelled incorrectly or you use punctuation incorrectly. 6. Pay attention to the word limits. Keep in mind that you will lose marks if you exceed the word limits. So pay attention to where the answers should be, not more than 3 words. As well as the writing tasks, which should be 250 and 150 words. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.